Welcome to Getting Started with Tableau. Let's have a look at what you're going to be learning in the course. So to get there, let's have a look at the blueprint up here. And it is in phase 1. It is the very first course. Here we go. So let's have a look. So when I go in here, you're going to see it's completely free. Just enroll and you're ready to go. That's it. It's as simple as it gets. So the reason this is the first step is because when you know nothing about data, you've never done Excel, or you've barely done Excel, or you've only heard about these tools, I'm not going to be using, I don't use any fancy language. And even if I do, I explain it in really simple terms because even I am not a data person. I didn't come from the data field. So I'm teaching in the way that I would have liked to learn when I started 10 years ago, knowing absolutely nothing about this industry and not knowing anything about these tools. I didn't even know they existed. Okay, so let's go through the curriculum. One of the great parts about not just this course, but every course and the entire platform is that you're going to get ChatGPT support. So if you don't know what that is, it's an AI tool, and I've custom built a AI bot, I guess you could say, that is a helpline for you. So no doubt you're going to get stuck with certain things. You don't know where a button is, or you're not sure how to go about it. This is 24/7 free access, 365 days a year. Ask it a question and it will help you through problem solving that question. Okay, no matter what you're working on, not just things on the course. In that video, it'll walk you through how to access it, how to use it, demonstrations of how it works. The first thing we're going to go through is this part here, which is actually how to install the software. Surprisingly, I see a lot of courses that don't even explain how to install it, so students can't even start the course. So here I'm going to walk you through step by step how to download it, how to deal with any installation problems, because this is a tool you're going to be using in the corporate environment. Installation is a problem from time to time, mainly because of firewalls or security settings or how your system's set up. It's not a big deal. Tableau have a lot of versions, and I'll walk you through how to go about those versions, and very rarely do I find a student that can't install it, right? Usually you just have to download in incognito mode or something like that in those rare instances. We're going to be talking about the industry. We're going to talk about career opportunities. If you learn these skills, is it just data analytics? Which industries am I going to have, opportunities in? How much money am I really talking here? Am I going to be replaced by AI? All of that's going to be discussed in that video. And then we get into Tableau itself. So really Tableau is 3 main parts. One is the data, right? We need data to come in. Then we need visualizations, and then we need to deploy it. So the easiest way to understand this is if you're baking a cake, you can't have a cake without ingredients. So you need to buy the ingredients first. The ingredients is the data. Where do we get it from, right? The groceries or whatever. In our case, it's Excel file, text files, cloud, sources, servers, wherever. There's heaps of places you can get data. I'm going to walk you through the simplest ones to get you started with loading the data. Once you have the data, it's time to bake the cake. In our case, it's bar charts, column charts, pie charts, line charts, heat maps, and more. Now, one of the key differences with my content versus a lot of the other ones is you will learn how to make a bar chart. Anyone can make a bar chart. That's really easy. But very rarely do I see people learn why we do a bar chart. Why is a bar chart better than a column chart? Why do we rarely use pie charts? When do we use line charts? For what situations? And why is it more beneficial? How do we use it in conjunction with the stakeholder? Those are the things you're going to learn on the site as to why we do certain things. And the reason for that is when we create a solution and we give it to a stakeholder, the time for them to look at a set of results, to absorb it with no ambiguity, and to interpret it easily and correctly is such a key skill. It's what we get paid to do, because the longer it takes for them to understand, the more confusion it creates, the less opportunities you're going to get, because they're just not going to involve you with bigger projects because you're making it harder, not easier for them. All of this you're going to learn in the course. Throughout the courses of how do you work as an analyst. It's not just about creating charts. How do you work with others? How do you collaborate? How do you deliver solutions? How do you communicate those things? All of that you're going to learn. It's so much more than just charts. Then we're going to create dashboards. So dashboards is when we take all those small pieces of visualizations, we bring them into a single dashboard, and that tells a story. So you can give a really wide view of what's going on, or a detailed view of a story, or you're trying to highlight something. All of that you're going to learn in dashboard creation. And then that is it. So those are the 3 parts. Oh, sorry, I forgot. And then we're going to deploy it to Tableau Public, which is an online marketplace, I guess you can say, where we share it. Think of it like Facebook, where you're posting something. It's like that. And that is the start of you building your portfolio for recruiters so they can see what you can actually do. That is getting started with Tableau. Enjoy.